I thought I'd vlog it and show you how a type 1 diabetic navigates through these hectic events.
पुराने ज़मानों में ऐसी ही जगहों पे पिक पॉकेटिंग होती थी कि कोई एक्टिविटी हो रही है तो पिक पॉकेटर्स इसी के अंदर गेम खेलते हैं।
Yeah. Hey guys, so I'm going to Lok Versa. It's this artistic event that happens once a year, every year. A lot of different artists come over. It's free. Everyone's going. It's the weekend. There's a lot of people. And I thought I'd vlog it and show you how a type 1 diabetic navigates through these hectic events. I got separated from my family. My blood sugar was going low at the start, so I ended up having to eat some cotton candy so I don't go low. And yeah, let's move forward. Right now we're going a lot of uphill movements. I haven't taken any insulin because I fear that if I go low, then there's no game plan. I don't have juice. I should have brought some, but I didn't. Here we are. So let's go safely. I mean, yeah, one of the scariest things as a type 1 diabetic is going up incline walks at a slower speed. On incline walks, my heart rate gets up, especially on like these slow walks, and my blood sugar tanks really fast. If I'm running or if I'm doing a lot of exercise, if I'm lifting heavy weights, if I'm doing MMA, my blood sugar actually goes up instead of down. And that's because my body requires glucose, so my liver dumps adrenaline, glucose, whatever. But things like these, damn, I consume a lot of glucose. So I'm just hoping I don't go low. Right now my blood sugar is in the green range. It's around in 115. But if it goes down, I'll be screwed. Oh God. Yeah, this walk just doesn't end. Look how many people there are. Okay, that doesn't seem like a lot of people, but it's a lot of people for this area. It's a very small road. Also, come on, man. So much littering. Why do people just litter? I've been carrying this stick around for like 15 minutes because I don't have a place to throw it. But everyone here, no one cares. Like, come on, man. There's even school kids. You have been educated better than that. That's really a shame. I mean, look, what the hell is this? All right, so I've entered the Mela. My blood sugar's fine so far. And look at all these cool things here. Different types of foods.
आर्टिफिशियल शुगर मैं ये मार्केटिंग नहीं कर रहा हूँ शुगर नहीं है मैं कह रहा हूँ नेचुरल
Oh, sugar. This is relevant to me. Assalamu alaikum. कैसे हैं भाई? यार ये sugar free बता रहे हैं.
ये शुगर फ्री इन सेंस
मतलब कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होंगे नेचुरल शुगर के.
नेचुरल शुगर होंगे शुगर फ्री इन सेंस हमने इसमें हनी डाला हुआ है शुगर के लिए हनी ऐड है और इसमें आपको व्हाइट शुगर मिलेगा ठीक है रिफाइंड शुगर है इसमें इसमें आपको नेचुरल चीजें हैं
इनमें नेचुरल है. अच्छा जबरदस्त बात है कि मैं खुद एक टाइप 1 डायबिटिक को सेंसर भी लगाया हुआ है.
बिल्कुल
तो मैं तो बस एंजॉय करूंगा इनको खाने. इसमें से अच्छा वाला कौन सा है? ये है एलमंड बल्कि एप्रिकॉट मुझे नहीं इतना पसंद आता. कितने का है?
ये इसमें सब मिक्स है
इसमें
ये
सबर मैं ना मुझे ये अच्छा लग रहा है वॉलनट. एक कितने का है? 300. ओके मैं आपको ये इजी पैसा करता हूँ ठीक है. तो ये आप लोग का कार्ड है शजदे फूड्स. अच्छा आप लोग अभी स्टार्टिंग कर रहे हैं?
हमारा पहले से 2-3 सालों से स्टार्ट है ना वो स्कर्दू से कर रहे हैं और यहाँ पर सप्लाई पूरा पाकिस्तान ऑल ओवर.
तो अब यहाँ पे कोई नया शुरू कर रहे हैं कि इधर भी आपके
ऑनलाइन डिलीवरी होते हैं यहाँ पर.
हाँ
हमारा जो फैक्ट्री है वो वहाँ पर स्कर्दू में.
Okay. The guy is saying that 90% of the workforce is women, so woman empowered 100%. Yeah?
जी सर 90 अबाव हमारी जो वर्कर है वो वुमेन है. स्कर्दू में हमारे हुसैनाबाद में हमारी फैक्ट्री है. जितने भी प्रोडक्ट बनी है हुसैनाबाद में बनी हुई है. आप चेक करें टेस्ट करें फिर ले जाए. ऑनलाइन हमारे प्रेजेंस है ऑफलाइन आप कहीं पे भी ऑर्डर कर ले. व्हाट्सएप बना हुआ है हमारा कैटलॉग बना हुआ है ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं आप. पूरे पाकिस्तान में हम डिलीवरी कर देते हैं कराची से लेके कश्मीर तक.
Chale zabardast, thank you. Alright, so I ended up grabbing 3 of these bars. Now while they don't have any added sugar, I'm assuming that these things are like granola bars. Granola bars, they are not that fast, but they're going to increase my blood sugar like enough. So if I ever run into any issue, I can grab juice from here. But if I don't have that option, then I think this will help. Other than that, I'm looking forward to making a video on this and measuring the impact of these. I'm already eaten cotton candy and I'm kind of doing a test on that if it's going to be able to control. I literally have not taken any insulin for that. Something that is literally just full of sugar. But yeah, so that's the thing. I hope I don't go low. I also hope I don't go high. I'm going to check my blood sugar and let's just see if I need insulin for it. or if all of this walking is going to cover it. And there's so many different types of food, and I think a lot of type 1 diabetics suffer from this, where they want to try all of this delicious food, but you know you can't. At least unless you're certain, unless you have a certain safety protocol. I mean, anything I eat, I'm going to have to do so much carb counting, calculating. These dumplings, I'm going to have to calculate for flour in them, how much that's going to raise me the protein. How am I going to do bolus? Because what if something happens and I'm doing a lot of walking then? Then I'm low. There's a lot of noise here. I was with my family and now I'm lost again. So hopefully I have enough battery in my phone to A, give me my readings, and also if they need to call me, they can. So I think I should regroup first. And damn, I'm really not prepared for this. I don't even have a power bank. What happens if my phone dies? I don't have any readings. If I go low, I have this. This is not going to be fast enough. The only time I can eat this is when I see that I'm going low. I'm about 100. But if I'm already low, I'm really, really screwed. So many things that you have to worry about when you're a type 1 diabetic. 4 years as a type 1 diabetic, this stuff becomes common knowledge. But at this point, when I have to actually consider it and announce it to everyone, there's so much that's actually going on in my head. Hard to articulate into words, but yeah, man.
पुराने ज़मानों में ऐसी ही जगहों पे पिक पॉकेटिंग होती थी कि कोई एक्टिविटी हो रही है तो पिक पॉकेटर्स इसी के अंदर गेम खेलते थे.
Yeah, that's why my dad told me to keep some money and I hid it in my jacket. Every single province has a distinct area, and you're gonna find all of the goods, fruits, items, jewelry, clothing, textile stuff from there. We've checked out Sindh and Baltistan. I think this is Punjab, and KPK left, so we're gonna go to, I guess we're coordinating with our family. And here we have Mustafa. Oh damn, 1-2. 1-2. 1-2. All right, let's go. Dad's leaving.
That's Punjab, है.
So my blood sugar just hit 168. I'm gonna try and take some insulin. It clearly, the walk was not enough for the cotton candy. That thing is full of sugar. So hopefully I don't take too much and end up going low by 720, which is when the 2-hour mark is hit.
पंजाब में लाइन पे रहो, लाइन पे रहो.
Oh my god, guys, check this out. This is so beautiful. Holy shit. Assalamu alaikum. यार ये आपने सारे खुद बनाए हाथ से? ओए होए 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 होए, इतनी डिटेल डाली हुई आपने. परफेक्ट.
इसमें तस्वीरें बनती हैं, नेकलेस बनती हैं, बनती हैं, पेन है, रिंग है, कीरिंग वगैरह, एयरिंग है.
There is like an animal I like. I'm gonna buy it. I am looking for a turtle. I see an elephant. I see swan. I think that's an owl, but a odd-looking owl. Oh my God! So I just found Buddha. Namaste, Uncle Ji. I hope that's not disrespectful to anyone, but yes, very interesting. If you guys didn't know, there's a place called Taxila in Pakistan, and there are still practices where they make original Buddha sculptures, and so much of Buddha sculptures were made here, and they're still excavated, sold for millions to collectors. So that's pretty interesting fact.
टेक्सला में जो पहाड़ है जहाँ पे एक्चुअली बुद्धा के स्टैचूज मिले थे ना,
हाँ,
ये पूरे ग्लोबली यही है. ये कुछ 6-7 पोजीशंस हैं बुद्धा की ना.
Yeah.
उसी का रेप्लिका अभी तक बन के पूरी दुनिया में चल रहा है.
So my dad was telling me how these are the sort of toys they had when they were young in Pakistan, without factory and machines and modernization. Horse replicas, and it's really loud, but I would have asked this man to play this instrument. I don't even know how to describe it. 4 strings. Reminds me of a banjo, but a mini banjo. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to say anything and you guys are gonna be able to hear. But I've heard this song from Coke Studio and this is the original one. Alright, so chapli kebab is being made. There is rush everywhere but except for here because there's so much fire and heat, everyone's staying away. And I kind of want to have it. Ooh, ये कबाब की लाइन है? ओ भाई, फिर तो बहुत लंबा टाइम लगेगा. Another thing happened, my blood sugar has now slowed down. The spike was a slight up and now it's flattened at 175. This means that the spike's probably happening and I'm coming down. So either I get this kebab soon or I resort to eating these before, and the video for the cotton candy is a little bit compromised because I went low. At that point, there's not much you can do. Finally, we have gotten our chapli kebab. The smell is actually amazing. How we're gonna find a place to sit, I don't know. But let's go and wait a minute.
What do you mean ours? It's mine.
What do you mean yours? I also had one.
No, I had 5. And there's only 5. Look.
Bro, you're not gonna be able to eat. Oh my god, bro. 6:30 होने वाले हैं. Bro, stop 6-ming. Bro, uppercut.
सारा गिर सकता था, शुक्र है बच गए.
Wait, Mustafa just uppercutted it. Wow, he's such a genius. Wow, guys, make fun of him in the comments. Send hate comments. Hate Mustafa. Oh my god, check this out. This is so cool. This is one of my biggest passions. Live pottery. He's got a potter's wheel. Look at this. Oh my god. I think it got a little wobbly at the end, but oh, he's just the string thing. Oh, माशाल्लाह भाई. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. ये आप लोगों के लिए लाइव बनाते हैं? जो वो कितने का बना रहे हैं? 300 के लिए. Oh. So this guy takes 300 rupees and he literally makes a pot out of you live in front of you with those unique indentations at the top. With these unique indentations. Wow. And I think he makes those types of jugs as well. A lot of different shapes. So many talented people here. I think एक और बाइट से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. So good. What? I couldn't have imagined something like this would be so damn good. Holy, I think I'm gonna try all of these street ones, man. Like you could not believe it. Papa, ये कितने का था एक चपली कबाब? Dude, it's not even $1. This entire piece of meat, not even $1. It's got a lot of oil, so it's probably gonna give you a spike later on, like 3-4 hours. But it's perfect, man. Zanera, can I get a shortsies of the pansies? So, did you have a bite?
Did you?
I will die. Eatings? Opinion? Huh? How is it, Ali? Not good? What is this? Bell?
Oh yeah, well.
Is it working?
No, it's just a sample.
Okay, okay.
People used to have the same in their area.
Oh. Alright guys, I'm leaving. It was an absolutely wonderful experience. You know, I'm so surprised. I haven't visited any public places. The last public place like this I went to was in Joyland amusement park, and the crowd was so rowdy, disrespectful, that I honestly had a bad image. But every single person here, they were so nice. They were hygienic, they took care of their hygiene, everyone smelled good, everyone was nice. The people who accidentally bumped into me were so apologetic, everyone was waiting their turn. People at civilized weddings, educated people, can never maintain a line, but the people here were. It was absolutely wonderful. There were so many talented people there, and I absolutely loved my time there. And now I have to get back to my car. Hopefully, my blood sugar will sustain me until then. And yeah, see you there.
से दूर होकर डिस्कस करें ना क्या
Shoe sole? What the hell is that doing there? So now we have an extremely long walk back to the car. Okay, so I made it to the car. My family's a little bit far behind. I started running. I was kind of in the mood. It was kind of cold. A bus was going, so I jumped up on the bus behind it and I sort of rid it while just standing on the ladder behind it. It was really fun. I'm at the car, no one's here. I have like 1.1% battery in my phone. It's almost dead, it's lagging. But I was able to check my blood sugar. It's 160 and flat. And I ran here. So in terms of the cotton candy spike, I would say that it's a really it spikes your blood sugar by a lot. The only reason I didn't go high is because I took 3 units of insulin and all of this activity. I had some pieces of chapli kebab, which definitely helped, which will definitely help. Right now, I don't think the chapli kebab would have been even active by now, especially now that I've done so much exercise. I'm probably gonna shoot down despite eating both of these things. If I had it with a piece of bread like naan, I definitely would have needed more insulin. It would have spiked otherwise. But I'm here, I'm at the car, I'm waiting for my family. Hopefully they can get here in time. And if you enjoyed this vlog, like this video, comment down which stuff you'd like to ask me, what stuff you'd like to see more. Subscribe, hit the bell notification. And yeah, that's it. Bye-bye.